Hey guys, welcome back to Jeevashastra Abhyasa. I'm your educator in Think. So, in this video, we will be discussing about the hormonal control of spermatogenesis and the negative feedback mechanism of male reproductive functions. So then, we need not to waste any time. Let's move to the topic.
First thing to answer from my side is spermatogenesis. What is spermatogenesis? It is the process of generation of sperm within the testis. So today we will be learning about how these particular the process of spermatogenesis is going to be controlled by some of the hormone which is produced in our body. So which regulates and which makes an attempt to form or to undergo the process of spermatogenesis. So let's see what are those. So from when it begins, that is also a very important thing. So first thing, that is when it begins. So it begins when an individual hits, as you all know that, when an individual hits the puberty. When an individual hits the puberty, that is when all the sexual organs get matured. Sexual organs gets matured. So yes. So how this regulation takes place and what are the important hormones which produces the exact sperms. So collectively these hormones are termed as, I'll write here, it is termed as androgens. Androgens. So the meaning of androgens are man is going to produce. So it is a Greek word. So it happens through a process known as negative feedback mechanism. It happens through the feedback mechanism which regulates the production of sexual reproductive hormones and also testosterone and also the function of the male reproductive organs done by these androgens. So then the question comes, which are these androgens? So mainly it happens with the help of there are two important hormones are there. I'm going to come for that hormones later, but where this is going to happen. So this comes under the negative feedback mechanism of male reproductive system. This feedback mechanism starts with the help of hypothalamus. You can see over here. This is the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus produces a particular hormone termed as GnRH. The full form of the GnRH is gonadotrophic releasing hormone. So it is termed as gonadotrophic releasing hormone. So it is going to stimulate, this GnRH is going to stimulate the anterior pituitary gland. It is going to stimulate this one, anterior pituitary gland. So it stimulates it to produce gonadotropins. So these anterior pituitary glands is going to produce gonadotropins. What is going to happen? Gonadotropins are going to be produced by the anterior pituitary gland. It is going to form the gonadotropins. So there are two types of gonadotropins are there. One is FSH and another one is LH or ICSH. So then let's see what are those things. FSH is abbreviated as follicle stimulating hormone and LH or ICSH. So LH is luteinizing hormone and ICSH is interstitial cell stimulating hormone. So then let's see what are the functions. So here you can see FSH. So first let's take FSH. The anterior pituitary gland is going to produce hormone FSH which stimulates the production of gonads of male individuals. So it is going to stimulate spermatogonial cells which are present in the testis, and when they are stimulated, the seminate periods differentiate themselves to form the sperms. They are going to form, that means the FSH directly involved in the process of stimulating the gonads to produce the sperms. Okay, that's the one thing. So next thing, when we come to the LH, this one. So LH, that is luteinizing hormone, so which stimulates directly it stimulates the interstitial cells, or it is also known as ICSH, interstitial cell stimulating hormone. So this hormone is going to stimulate the interstitial cell, which you're going to find in between the testis, in between the testicle cells, in between the seminiferous tubules. So those are going to be get stimulated here. That they are termed as Leydig cells. So those are going to produce the mainstream hormone. This is a secondary sexual hormone, which is very essential to show the secondary sexual characters like growth of beard, the muscularity of men. So all those things are done by testosterone, is the hormone which is stimulated by the LH. So this is how these LH and FSH are going to stimulate follicle stimulating hormone and the luteinizing hormone, or ICSH, interstitial cell stimulating hormone, is going to function as for the production of the sperm and the testosterone. So as a void, so this process goes on for some time. So at a certain point, the testosterone, this thing, gets increased in many numbers. So it will get a lot of LH is going to be generated, which directly forms. So whenever the testosterone is increased, so then there will be LH is going to be secreted again, which also stimulates the gonads to produce a hormone known as inhibin, which inhibits. So inhibin is going to be produced by the seminiferous tubules or testicles. So those inhibit the testosterone level. So that will decrease the action of testosterone on the men, and also the FSH. So it also, the inhibin also suppresses the action of FSH whenever it increases. This cycle is continuous, and this is how the hormone regulates, or hormone is going to regulate the process of spermatogenesis.
Thank you for watching the video and supporting me until here. So continue to watch the videos, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you. जय कुछ भूल गया, right? Yes, चलो मरते नहीं. Until the next time, let's hit the road of success together. जय.